Hello, friends. Speed Vlog, Mike Bailey. It is Friday.
What?
It's Friday.
This is usually on Tuesday.
I know, but this week it's Friday, and we are at the airport about to leave to go to Pittsburgh, to go to Erie for Collision. We're going to be colliding this week. Veda?
Yes.
Where you at this weekend?
Oh, I got a bunch of stuff going on locally, and I'm going to be... One of the shows I'm doing...
Sorry.
Why would you hit me in the... Like, you hit me really hard.
I zoomed in too much.
Yeah, I thought are you trying to just cut me off and close the intro? Or
No, I just zoomed in too much.
I don't know. Oh, so one thing I'm doing this weekend that is fun is I'm going to be doing backstage interviews for an event, which is something that I started out doing in pro wrestling.
Wow.
And
back to the roots.
And I don't get that much of a chance to do it that often for other people. Like, I do my own interview shows and stuff like that, but I don't really get to do it for other people that often. So I'm excited for that.
Speaking of it, did you release the latest drawing power that you filmed?
I did not, because
it's unreleased at the time of this vlog being released, but it's coming out very soon.
Well, I'm gonna go edit it probably right after I drop you off. Wow. But yes, there is a new drawing power coming out. But also, by the time this comes out, this will already be over. But doesn't matter. Go back and look at it.
Go back.
Big Bad Boris of Canadian and Love Wrestling fame is in the midst right now of a 24 hours amateur 40-hour stream.
That's insane.
Raising money. I'm going to be on Saturday to do a live drawing power with Boris. You can probably go back and check that out and still donate at this point.
All right, and let's go to Pittsburgh or Erie. Okay, so I'm just here waiting for my bag, and I'm watching Tony Khan live on Twitter, and he just officially dropped the news, made the announcement. Tomorrow I have a huge match, huge all-star 5-on-5 LFI and FTR versus Bandido, the Bang Bang Gang, and JetSpeed. So it's going to be absolutely incredible. I again love watching Tony Khan live on Twitter announcing matches. Man, this is a big one tomorrow. All right. See, now I'm happy. Now it's out there. It's announced, and my head is going. I'm finally zoned in, ready for a big match tomorrow. Let's fucking go. Hey, we're out here. Saturday Collision. It's all right for fighting. That's what they say about Saturday, and that's what we're gonna do tonight. I'm gonna fight big 4-on-4 all-star tag match. Let's fucking go. All right, Kevin.
Woo.
We out here
In the Eries.
Erie, Pennsylvania, by Lake Erie. It's cold. It's a hockey arena, but we're gonna heat things up tonight.
That's why we gotta stay with the jackets on. You know?
You gotta warm it, and you also got it bedazzled.
We got it bedazzled up.
Look at that.
No, we can't come out here regular.
Damn.
We gotta get a little bit of.
I have zero bedazzling.
No, but
I'm just plain out there.
That's the style, though. You know.
Yeah, I know.
To each his own.
To each his own. Okay, yeah, sure. You can be bright and sparkling, and I will be just bare bones.
All good. But tonight we gotta get down to business.
Yeah, because that's what matters. But so we gotta film a thing.
Yes.
Because we are going to Mexico City
Arriba.
very, very soon, and that's incredibly exciting. We'll be wrestling Sky Team.
Yes.
Neon, Máscara Dorada.
2.0.
Both fantastic. Neon does the coolest dive in professional wrestling history, perhaps. I can't think of a cooler dive.
I've been on the receiving end of it. I wouldn't call it cool. It's kind of painful, but I guess if you're watching it from the stands, it is kind of cool.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it hurts. Ricochet used to do the step up shooter, and that was pretty cool too. But I think the Neon Moonsault. So we should counter that somehow. Could you drop kick him out of midair?
See, we on the same frequency, the same page. I had the same idea. We're definitely gonna do some of that.
Okay, all right.
Gonna do that.
But we also got a game plan for tonight.
Right.
So we got a big match. It's us. It's Juice and Bandido versus LFTRI. I can't make the La Faction. We don't even know what the TR stands for.
Yeah.
I mean, turd rats is what Willow said, but I don't know that we can roll with that. That's a little bit too harsh.
Kind of funny though.
Willow has no middle ground.
She's either super sweet. She's like a Sour Patch Kid, super sour. So
Willow is like a Sour Patch Kid.
you never know.
You never know. You never know what you're gonna get. Sour Patch Kids. You never know what you're gonna get. All right. Oh wait, no, it's sideways. Hey, Juice.
Yep.
So tonight, you and I are teaming.
Yep.
And I just want to clear the air first, because you've been on the vlog before. You did the PTDR famously, an episode that people remember fondly.
I tested out the paper towel.
You did. You reviewed it. I don't remember what score you gave it, but I know
it was
it was
meh.
Meh. Yeah, I think so too. But I wanted to make sure we're cool, because I know how much you hate social media. As a whole, as a concept, you're not on Twitter. You're not anywhere on the internet. People can't find you.
Nah.
People are like, where is Juice Robinson? And the answer is he's on TBS and TNT Wednesday nights and Saturday nights. Why not start a Blue Sky?
Oh, yeah, I should start a Blue Sky.
What about something real obscure, like a Tumblr? What if you only had a Tumblr?
No.
No?
I thought about a YouTube, but
A
then...
YouTube would be great.
Um,
If you had a YouTube, you could plug it here.
I think I could only hurt myself with social media.
As long as you don't hurt others, you know.
No, I would never hurt others, but...
Except tonight in our match.
yeah,
It's plan is to
tonight.
hurt
FTR's
a lot of
getting
people.
hurt.
Oh yeah, okay.
Roosh
So
is
let's
getting
go.
hurt. Sammy Guevara's getting hurt. We're going to be beating some ass.
Not Roosh. Roosh's gonna be okay.
No, I don't want anything to do with Roosh.
Neither do
I remember him from CMLL.
Go. Okay, come on. We gotta get fucking ready. Bandido.
Yeah, we're gonna be ready.
gotta get
We're gonna be
fucking
ready.
ready.
Let's go.
Juice. Juice, we gotta get ready. We gotta get hyped. We gotta get into this.
I'm ready.
We got a
We're
big
ready.
match coming up. Big main event, big collision main event. We got a point to prove. We got money to make.
Yes.
We've got stars to collect.
Sí. Toda mi gente de México, por favor, reciban a JetSpeed allá en México.
Yes!
Make sure you put the
Coming
subtitles
soon.
on that one.
Nah,
Make sure you-
too much effort. I don't want to edit. Boys, we did it. Oh, my camera's real. I need to wipe it somewhere.
Let's get that clean.
Sorry, I'm gonna borrow your hoodie. Wipe my camera.
Hey, I got a
There we go.
I'm going to hop in real quick.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, let's get out
Hey,
of here, Juice.
Juice, thank you.
Thank you, boys.
We got the dub.
a win for the good guys.
Yeah, unfortunately,
As it should be.
It
More
wasn't
often.
for hundreds of thousands of dollars this time. It usually is.
No, that's Saturday. This Saturday.
Yeah, that's
Tailgate, $200,000 tailgate,
$200,000, yeah.
tag team match.
So next one, we should put some money on the line. We should pressure TK to put us in another match like this, but for $2 million. $2 million.
Por favor.
What do you think?
You know, I'm the most wanted. I can stole that money, papi. Yeah.
Is that what you're wanted for? Stealing money?
Of course, all the time.
He is the bandit.
Yeah, you know.
Gotta be careful. Hey, we gotta be careful around this guy. He got 2 belts on him. He's trying to get some more money on
And in
him.
the future, $2 million. $2 million.
To be fair, we saw you win those belts. You didn't steal them.
Steals the show
You
every
earned
time
them. You
he's
steal
on
the show.
show.
You steal the show. That's
We
right.
steal the show.
Hey, tonight we stole the fucking show.
Yeah,
So
let's
we are
go.
El Bandidos.
Los Bandidos.
Los Bandidos.
Bandidos como
Gracias, hermanos.
Russia. And we're back. Thank you for watching this vlog. It was a fantastic collision. So here's what happened today. I flew home from Pittsburgh, so short flight, and I'm hanging out with Jake the dog, the real Jake the dog. No,
It's me.
it's just Veda in a Jake the dog hoodie that was gifted to me at a Rev Pro show.
Yes, but then I just took it and started
Yeah,
wearing it.
you had a show today.
I did. That's why I have
PWJ.
PWJ. That's why I have makeup on right now.
You're very pretty. Look at you. Wow, wee wow.
I didn't work in the Jake the Dog hoodie.
No, that's okay. Veda, I won.
You did.
We did. We won.
Which rarely happens.
I know, but it's
Your
great
team
when it
won,
does.
at least. You yourself did not win.
No, not personally. No, Bandido won the match.
But he was
You
the
know,
captain
on
of
my
the team.
Yeah, he was the team captain, I think. So let's go celebrate by going to Wegmans and getting some food. Thank y'all so much for watching this vlog. I gotta drop it tonight. Let's go. Struggling to turn my camera off.